Okay, this is a Windows Server 2008 video on configuring a group policy for credential roaming, and it is activity 9.8, and we're going to set up a group policy for credential roaming. An Active Directory security works with client computers through the use of group policies, so we will learn how to enable the CA client synchronization through credential roaming. So I already have the group policy management editor opened, and let's see, we need to make sure that the default domain policy is expanded, user configuration is expanded, policies is expanded, Windows settings is expanded, and security settings are expanded, which they are. So we're going to double click the public key policies, and that opens up these three: Enterprise Trust, Trusted People, Certificate Services Client, Credential Roaming, and Certificate Services Client, Auto Enrollment. So we want to double click the credential roaming, and in the Certificate Services Client credential roaming dialog box, click Enable to enable the credential roaming. Enable. Leave the default settings for the remaining parameters. Click OK in the Certificate Service Client. And click OK in the Changing RUP Exclusion List information box, which is this right here, and it says when credential roaming is enabled, the folders in which the user's credentials are stored are automatically added to the roaming user profile, the RUP exclusion list. This prevents potential conflicts when both RUP and credential roaming are used together. Say OK there. And close the default domain policy console. Click No when you're asked whether to save the changes or not. All that work, and we're going to say no, don't save it. So that is how you configure a group policy for credential roaming in Windows Server 2008 Enterprise Edition. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.